The needle's been going plus to minus, plus to minus. And what do? As a trader, you're buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. And as it turns out, the thing's working.
Let's close the conversation today on gold. Your gold sentiment index has been very popular. A lot of people watching our show have been asking about it. What has the index been telling you of late?
The index has been bouncing around a lot, and in a way, this is the most useful aspect of the Hanke Gold Sentiment Index, and that is it's a great contrary indicator. Now, what I mean by that, the scores go from -10 to +10, so that's the full range. And when you get over on extremes, let's say we have a tremendous amount of enthusiasm in the market, and the indicator that we're reading every hour, by the way, the needle goes over close to +10. What do you do then? You sell. It's a switching point. It's a contrary indicator because it will revert back towards the neutral side. Or if you have a tremendous amount of fear in the market, and the market's very bearish, and it's like a -10. What do? You buy. And these signals that we've been getting are extremely accurate and tradable. We've back tested the model now, David, and we're actually also trading it in real time, and it's turned out to be quite profitable. These signals at the extremes are very useful. So that's what's been happening. The needle's been going plus to minus, and what do? As a trader, you're buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, and as it turns out, the thing's working.
Okay, so Professor, what's the latest reading on your sentiment index?
Well, at 8 a.m. this morning, it was -5.6. Then at 9 a.m., that's 30 minutes after the inflation number came out at 8.3%, it went down to 7.55. And at 10, it was -8.7. That is an extreme. You want to be buying now. And in fact, we did buy, and the spot goal went from 834 to 850 almost immediately.
It's not, but if it's -8, isn't that very bearish?
This is a contrary indicator. Remember, the extremes are contrary indicators.
I see.
And when we have an extremely bearish reading, that is when you want to be in a position of covering your shorts and going long. And that's exactly what we did.
All right, so bottom line from today's conversation, inflation is not going away anytime soon, and you should be buying gold right now because the Hanke Gold Sentiment Index, being a contrarian indicator at the extremes, is very extremely bearish right now. Does that sum up pretty much your thoughts today?
Yeah, that sums it up, David. But remember, when we're talking, this is for gold traders who are in and out of the market. Maybe they're long, maybe they're short, all in one day.
Right. Well,
so right now, we as a trader, we went long, and of course we caught it because the indicator was an extreme bearish, and we know that it will be coming back towards more bullish. And sure enough, we caught the bottom of the market.